Look Panawanya. Look Panawanya. It name made in Jamaica. A homemade firearm was found in a ceiling during a police raid. Me want you wait pan it. Me want you wait pan it. Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed as yet, hit the red subscribe button. Write some comment, cause you're not dummy. Nobody no say nothing. Listen to me, people. Homemade firearm found in the ceiling of a police raid. St. Andrew, Jamaica. The St. Anne's South Police have launched an investigation after a homemade firearm was seized during a targeted raid in Tower Avenue Olympic Garden in St. Anne's on Monday. Reports are about 4:40 p.m. Lawmen were in the area where the premises was searched and the firearm was recovered from the ceiling of a board structure dwelling. Wait for it! Wait! No one was arrested relations to the seizure. A them thing that me a talk about. Look pan the tolly. He followed a lot of rule, but it wasn't the government role. Cause me know we did not teach you how to make this in school. Look pan the thing. He look bling bling bling. Listen, you don't have to say no more gun come to town. Jamaicans are manufacturing look paninaka made in Jamaica. Them a make ghost gun, now them have force gun. Listen to me, people, me no want none. St. Andrew, Jamaica. Me a talk about the southern part of the St. Andrew Police Department. We a talk about where? Tower Garden. We a talk about Olympic Garden. St. Andrew, them people in a ramp there, so reports forward off a satellite, drop into the female, not the female. Lawmen a tell me say, them search up one premises, and there was a board structure, the dwelling, they recover one homemade knocking. Look panny knocking, made in Jamaica. But the boy them no lock up. Nobody. Government inventing crime. I don't believe this. Who owned the dwelling? Who owned the property? Who lived there? Bring him in, fingerprint him, and question him. Even if you're going to let him go, put him on file. Oh no, let him go. All now we move and gone a 3 mile. Oh no, take people for fool. Oh no, they not learn the golden rule. Document everything. Fingerprint everything. Take picture of everything. At 2023. Oh no, watch movies. Listen, cold files out there for the Jamaican police to watch. How you are going to find a knockings will look like this? Something that's made in Jamaica, and you know I'm bringing the youth so him can come become a better gun maker. Cause that's basically what you're going to do. Allow him to elude the hands of law. You know say somebody did it when no one gone. You have to bring him in and lock him up and make him start char. Some bread and water. And tomorrow, let me tell you what's going on because they're going to under PSRO. No man no one go to jail for nobody. Wrongs. Listen, people, Jamaica government knows say the people them evil and them a move like weeble. Enough time me hear say gun found at dwellings and nobody get shellings. Listen, no arrest was made. Me at least I bring in somebody, fingerprint somebody, them fi make me know who lived there. 4 p.m. in a middle day. Lawmakers went onto the premises, but them tell me say it was a special operation. It seems like there was an investigation because them said the St. Andrew, Jamaica and the St. Andrew South Police Department has launched an investigation after a homemade firearm was seized during a targeted raid in Tower Avenue, Olympic Garden, St. Andrew. A targeted raid means that you have information, say bad things are going around there. You are gone deep. So when you target the raid, you got information. You should have scrape up everybody wet in the yard, fingerprint them, and go and take their picture, put them on file, so later on if them commit more crime, you have them on file. That's how police work. You are gone deep. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roads TV. Big up on yourself, no one else. You are gone dizzy. People, make sure you subscribe to the channel cause you know says the Rastaman panel and we not have much like Rastafari soldier on the YouTube. Enough of them fool ya. I tell you PLI, fake news. I'm telling the truth. So if you want to hear the truth, you subscribe to Deep Roads.
Say hi to your friend.
We're watching Deep Roads TV!
You hear what I tell you, say? You think I joke them a make? Internationally, Deep Roads TV. Make fire key shine up it.
Them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Whoa, fire key, Rastafari soldier and fire key. Yeah,
Pick up Deep Roads TV. Respect, make sure to tune in. We are every time.